Son Goku Galactic Patrol. I've drawn him with Vegeta, the poster that was released, but this is just Goku base form on his own. So I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast, start with his eyebrow. Dragon Ball eyebrow, check mark. Like that. And then we square off the end. And then just bring this back down to the front, make it thinner as it goes down. And curve it there. His eye underneath. Like so. Base form Goku, they don't really draw in like all of the eye. So they just go to about there. And then they put in his black eye. And then his frowning center sort of his forehead. Just there. Right, so we have his sort of eyebrow, sort of frowning lines there. And then we do the other eyebrow. Goes more vertical. That way. Right, so like his eyebrow is kind of cut off here by his hair. So it kind of stops there. And then we'll do his eye coming down this way. And it goes in here. There's a little line there for his eye. Maybe there's in this side as well. Maybe like a little bit of a line there for his other eye. And then he's looking up from there. And we have his nose then. So it kind of spikes out here. Comes back in like a bit of a sort of an L shape or an upside down 7, and then the shadow underneath the nose that they always draw in Dragon Ball. We have cheek marks underneath his eye as well, can't forget those, and just on this side too, couple. And then his mouth. He's smiling in this one. Big confident smile. And then bottom lip there. Right, so his chin. So we're in 3/4 pose. So like his face curves this way. So the chin is just underneath here. So, and then we have cheek on that side, jaw on this side. So the jaw goes diagonally this way. Change direction, go up towards his ear. And then over here we curve in and out for his cheek, so it goes in a bit first and then out. And then it goes back up towards the eye there. So it's like a different shape both sides. So hair spikes, standard Goku black base form hair spikes. Curve around there first, and then this one. There, and then another. You can see his ear just here. So in base form of Goku, these are all just black. You can like draw more of them in if you wanted, but you know, you don't normally It's just all black, so those lines kind of disappear. And then like some ear lines inside. Just there. And then we have the 4 spikes on the back, the round part of the head, and then the 5 or 6 that are over this side. So this one comes out from his neck here, right? So we get like some neck. Might as well do the other side. Just get his neck in. And then hair spike, 1 small one first. 2. Third one. This one actually curves. Sometimes that can be like a normal spike one. It doesn't have to be that curve. And then here. And then a hair. And then we have like, yeah, like 5 here. So we'll just go up, down. Then a real big one here. Then one that goes out here. This is like a small one. And then there's like a bigger one that comes out from the middle. It looks like in here. So it'll go, so that we'll bring it across this way and down. And then that way. Like so. Right, so we'll go down and do his body position. So we get like some anatomy, his trapezius muscles here. And then some neck muscles that go diagonal from his face. And an Adam's apple. These neck muscles usually go to the direction of the center of your chest, right? So center of his chest is here, because his body is in 3/4 pose as well. There's all neck muscles and stuff. So we have his gi, his orange martial arts clothing. It's like a V following the curve for his chest. And then his blue t-shirt underneath. Then we got some folding lines. And then the shoulders come out. They kind of bump out because of the folds. So, because it's in 3/4 pose, this is like twice the size of this. You could probably go over twice. So if I went 1, 2, 3, that's your distance, see? From here to the middle of his chest. 1, 2, 3/4 pose. You can only see 3/4 of his body. The other quarter's missing. See if he like turned. So that's just your proportion for anyone who's interested. Orange comes down this way. Blue t-shirt sticking out over his arm there, and there's more sort of folds and stuff. You can do more folds than this, of course, if you wanted, but that's basically what we can see for the top half. Well, there's some blue here, actually. Now that's all. So Galactic Patrol symbol. Might as well do that while we're here. It's like, Pikachu's tail. Turned sideways. It's like lightning. Then it has a circle there. So arms come out across his waistband. So the waistband is like bumpy here. Comes across like his fist covers some of it, so it won't go the whole way across. It's like there. And then there's all these lines that come across the waistband. And then his pants comes down there. And then we see his arms. So we get like a big bicep. Tricep at the back. And then elbow. Forearm starts. Curves. We get the wristband. And then just his fist. So the thumb comes up. And then knuckles. Knuckle lines on his hand. And then his pants just goes that way. You might have like knuckle lines and stuff there. And then the fold lines on his trousers. And bicep. Forearm. Do 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 do. And then his other fist, so like palm of his hand, it's like turned towards us, so we can see the palm of his hand there. And then his thumb comes up to his index finger, 4 knuckles then. And then this comes down to his pinky. And the thumb covers over. And then index finger. Middle finger. And then his ring finger here. Do do do. Do 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 do. Boom boom. Boom boom boom. And that is Goku Galactic Patrol. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.